Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to use Instagram on your PC. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is open up Google Chrome. So yes, you have to have Google Chrome to do this. It's just a lot easier that way. So if you don't have Google Chrome, go ahead and download Google Chrome now, or just open it up and head over to Instagram like I am right now. Once you're on Instagram.com, the website, you just want to go over to the top right of your web browser, click on the three dots, scroll down to more tools, and you want to click on developer tools. You just want to open that up, and then once you're on developer tools where there's a ton of code beside elements, you want to click on the little tablet and phone looking button right there, and it'll pop open this right here. And then if you go over to the scroll down menu here, you could click on a certain phone that you want to emulate, or you can do like an iPad, a Pixel, tons of different options. So let's click on an iPhone for this tutorial. And then as you can see, this looks pretty much exactly like a phone. You can click login just like this, and then it will open up. And as you can see, with this little black circle over the mouse, you could just scroll down like it's a phone as you would on your phone. Really easy and really cool technique. I really hope I was able to help you guys out today. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.